When our guests are coming to Snyder's, they're really looking for that classic fall tradition with their family. So Snyder's Farm this year allows guests to really spread throughout the farm in a very physically distanced but socially connected way. So we're really excited to offer our Sunset Campfire experience for your smaller or larger group, where we bring all of the items to your campfire for you. It includes a hot dog roasting kit, a s'more roasting kit, and of course we recommend upgrading to artisanal s'mores that we actually make fresh in the bakery, and nothing tastes as good as a handmade s'more. The sound of that crackling campfire, the smell, and when you bite into a gooey handmade s'more, there's nothing like it. This campfire experience is the ultimate VIP experience. It is pre-lit for you before you arrive. We stoke it throughout the evening. You are able to order online through your phone, and we actually deliver a variety of baked goods, craft beers, craft ciders, slushies, hot chocolates, a variety of things that you can upgrade your experience. It's our goal that when you're here experiencing the Sunset Campfires, that you feel at complete ease, that we have everything taken care of for you. We are hoping to give our guests the ability to create an amazing memory. We love nothing more than seeing the amazing happy faces around a campfire of people having a fantastic experience.